Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monacha here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I created this look. It's an all back jumbo feeding braid hairstyle that was done by yours truly, moi. I started off this hairstyle with freshly washed. I also had my hair stretched because I had washed it and braided to make sure it was easy to manage. For this hairstyle, I'll be using the Expression already stretched hair. And I think I'm using the 1B27. I also moisturize my hair using my Cantu leave-in conditioner and my coconut oil. And here to start, I'm going to part my hair down the middle so that I could be able to manage it more easily. Look at me struggle to divide this hair in two. Alright, I'm just going to tuck that away for right now. And here we go. Time to begin the work. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna tuck my hair away so that I won't get my hair all caught up in the braids, because one thing about my hair, it tangles so easily. Like one false move and it's like, oh my god, didn't I just detangle this? So I have to be very careful, make sure I have no kind of knots in my hair to make this easy for me to do. I'm also gonna go in with my styling jam. This thing is amazing, guys. I just love it. I use it in my kids' hair as well, and it make their hair such a difference. Because before I used to just grease their hair and put and just braid their hair. Now I use this thing and their hair literally lasts at least 2 weeks. So this product is amazing. Here I go again, detangling again. That's how many times I have to detangle one spot just to make sure that it's not gonna tangle up while I'm braiding or get knotted up while I'm braiding. I have to say that's the biggest struggle I have with my hair. Like, whoo, Lord, just stay together. It's like it have a mind of its own. So guys, now I'm just slowing it down so that I could show you guys how I do the feed-in. And guys, before I even started my hair, I already had the pieces like lined out on my I had a clothing rack, the drying rack that I dry my clothes on, and then I just put the pieces so it'll be easily accessible when I'm ready to install the braids into my hair. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And like you see my face like this, and I'm braiding it myself, and I don't even braid tight. I cannot let anyone else do my hair because I'll be in so much pain. I feel like this person is literally like pulling my hair up my scalp. So I just do my hair myself. The last time I did my hair, I spent $180 something to do my hair, and it was a waste because I had to take it out the same night. So from that time on, I was like, I will never let anyone do my hair again. No offense to anyone, because my hair looked great. It was just too much. And it does not matter like who braided, or if it just like it feels like everyone braids too tight, which is ridiculous because I know everyone don't braid tight. But for me, is if I don't braid my hair or if I don't do my hair myself, I cannot tolerate the tension. So that's why I do this by myself, and I struggle to do this by myself. It is not easy, and I think anyone who does their hair themselves will tell you doing your hair like this and installing this, it's a lot. So anyway, let me stop rambling. I'm just gonna finish this up, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy seeing me struggle putting in these braids in my hair. So this is the finished work. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know each time I upload. Thank you.